Hi guys, I am in the car right now, and William is pumping gas. I don't know if you can see him. Nope, because he's not right there. But we are out and about. We are going to go to Ikea and to the Habitat for Humanity store. I don't know if you guys have one of those in your area, but I have been dying to go, to see what they have. I'm looking for a few new light fixtures, and I hear that this is the place to go if you want to find a great deal on some things for your home. So we're going to go there, and of course I'm going to take you guys along with me. I've been wanting to go to Ikea for a while because it is probably about, it's about 45 minutes away from where we live, so we don't get to Ikea very often. I can usually talk William into taking me twice a year, maybe.
Three times a lady. How many times you want to go, baby? That's when we going.
He's saying that now for y'all, but trust me, he don't always want to go downtown to Ikea. So we're going to go there and check out the Habitat for Humanity store. And we're hitting some bumps.
Turn right.
So,
turn right. Then turn left onto 5
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and y'all gonna come with us. So just
turn left onto 5 Barks Chicken Road.
Grab yourself something to drink, something to eat, or whatever, and spend the day with us. And I will get back to you guys once we get to. Are we going to Habitat for Humanity first, or we're gonna do Ikea first?
We're going by Habitat first.
Okay.
In Doraville.
Okay. So we're gonna go by the Restore first, and then to Ikea. So y'all just stay tuned. So we are in the Habitat for Humanity store. We don't have a whole lot for us today, though. We were hoping to get some light fixtures, possibly, but no, we don't have what we want today. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. They have all types of stuff. Yeah, some little, they got sinks. You need a sink, they got it all. Yes. Hubby over there. But yeah, they don't have much for us today. We're gonna try the location closer to our house next time too. Anybody want a toilet or a tub? You want a tub? They got that? A toilet? Got a tub over here?
That's what we did. We took the tub out and we'll sell it to somebody.
Got a pedestal sink right here. So yeah, this is the Habitat for Humanity Restore.
you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no.
So bring it back.
Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. 'Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na na, yeah.
Put it in the basement. That's right there. Sit in the corner, mama. Eat.
You must be talking about Jackie.
I'm talking about your mama.
You must be talking about Jackie.
Yo, mama.
She gonna see this video.
I know. In the corner.
I'm showing it to her. I'm showing her all of it.
Voice in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh na na, yeah. Still waiting for the time to pass you by. You're out of my league, but maybe if I just get my act together right, I'd catch a moment just right. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh na na, yeah. I can't hold it no longer. I can't hold it no longer. I can't control it. You're in my skin. I'm moving closer with every beat. I can't control it. You're everything. To feel your heartbeat is all I need. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get.
So you guys, we are finally done at Ikea. We have been here a couple of hours for sure. For sure. William is trying to, trying to get in the car. There he is. I don't even know if y'all can see him, but we are trying to get up out of here because when I tell y'all we starving, we starving. We was not feeling no meatballs. What the?
Another cup here.
So,
I thought you were gonna get you some meatballs.
did you want meatballs?
I didn't know if there was beef. So I wasn't trying it.
No, we could have asked him. I wasn't sure either. But we're too hungry. I'm too hungry to not know whether or not it's going to be good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, when you're so hungry that you ain't willing to try to, you know, test no waters. You just need to know that it's going to be delicious.
Tried and true.
It need to be tried and true. It need to be something that we already know Good day or bad day, it's gonna be good. So we are done. It was quite the adventure. We got some good things for my office and for the house, and of course I'll do a haul for you guys. But yeah, right now we just tired and we hungry. We got a lot of steps in, right? Babe, we got a lot of steps. We got a lot of steps in.
I'm sure we did.
Soft and moist with real ingredients like blueberry, bananas,
plenty of steps.
Plenty of steps. I don't know why you all. There you go.
And the Good Choice Moms
Yeah, plenty of steps. Too many steps.
Too many steps.
Yep. I need my back rub now.
Give me his back rub. I do too. Anyway, we will see y'all when we get wherever we're going. Okay guys, so I want to show you the few items that we picked up while we were at Ikea. Okay, so I picked up these 2 baskets and I really love them because I'm going to be organizing my pantry. So I wanted to pick up some items that I can use in the pantry. I mainly went to look for items for my office, but then I also, you know, when I saw these for the pantry, of course I just picked them up. And there are these 2 wire baskets with these cool handles on them, and I can't lift up the handles because of the cardboard that's on it. But y'all know Ikea be having some crazy names for some stuff. So here's the name of this basket right here, Risotort. Risotort is what I'm thinking. And I love the little handle on them. I love how deep they are. And I think these would be perfect for potatoes, onions, or anything like that. And they were, I got my receipt right here. Lord, I'm not gonna know. Risotort. Okay, so they were $12.99. $12.99. And then I picked up these 2 glass bowls right here. These are perfect for like salads, pasta salads, tossed salads, different things like that. And they are called, I'm trying to hold the camera and show y'all all at one time. They are called Trig, and it's a good size bowl, you guys. And these were only $2.49. Y'all know y'all can't beat that. And it's a big bowl. I don't know exactly how much, it doesn't say, but it's a nice size bowl. And then we picked up a couple of snacks. We were hungry. We picked up a couple of their cookies. One is a shortbread with strawberry, and one is a shortbread with chocolate. We didn't even open them, but we were starving, okay? I picked up these little napkins just because they was 99¢. They're great. I feel like I can always use them for something. I picked up some sponges. I don't know how much these sponges were, but I think they were 99¢too. Looking at my receipt, I'm pretty certain these were 99¢. And there's a second one somewhere hiding because I actually got 2. I got this tray. And I love this tray, you guys. I think it's really nice. I mean, and I'm probably going to use this for like, you know, I probably won't use it as a decorative piece. It will be more for like serving food. I could see me using it out on the screened-in porch, you know, to bring out some drinks or anything like that. So I really loved it for that reason. And I can't remember how much the tray was. I'm just checking my receipt for this tray. Well, I think this is $4.99, you guys. I think so. I think it's $4.99, yes, for this tray. Not bad at all. $5 is huge. I picked up a couple of trivets. This was like $3.99 because you can never have too many. In fact, we'll probably put these downstairs in the basement just for when things are being pulled out of the microwave and different things like that. We don't really do any cooking downstairs, but at least they'll be down there in those cabinets waiting. I picked up these 2 smaller little boxes for the pantry. Again, I picked up 2 small ones, and they were $2.99, $2.79. $2.79. So I picked up 2 of those. I feel like great deal for that. I can put granola bars, protein bars, different things like that in those. And I picked up 3 of these large ones, which you got, hopefully you guys can see. So I got 3 of the large ones, and they were $7.99. So I picked up 3 of those from Ikea. And you guys, for the most part, this is it for the small stuff. I also picked up a mirror that I don't see. I'm sure it's somewhere. I picked up one of those pedestal mirrors to go in the bathroom for makeup and different things like that. Hopefully I'll see that and show that to you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to take you guys upstairs and show you the main reason why I went to Ikea. And that is to purchase something for my office. And y'all ignore all this over here on the floor because I haven't even touched that. But this is what I went for. Let me move this chair. This is just a temporary chair, of course, that I am using. Okay, so this is really what I went to Ikea for, you guys. The Alex drawers and a new desk. I desperately needed a new desk. I hated my old one, and I hated it. It was so uncomfortable. But my husband bought it for me, and he had great intentions, so I thank him for that. But yes, this is what I really went for, to get myself a new desk. I really love the Alex drawers, which are the 2. I'm sure you guys are familiar with them. You had to have seen them all over YouTube at this point. But I got 2 of the Alex drawers. They were $89 each for those. And then they had several choices for the top that you could do. There was a small one that was just literally, I think it was like $22, you guys. It was so affordable. And then I think this one was $29.99 for the top. Then they had another one that was even more than that, but it was huge. It would have probably went the entire length of this wall. So of course I didn't want anything that big. So I went for the middle size, and it was $29.99. And yes, so I'm really happy with it, y'all. I cannot wait to buy all of my decor and stuff for it, because honestly, I wasn't anticipating doing my office until later on in the year. But since we were down there and it just kind of worked out, this is what I was able to get, at the time. So now I'm so excited about putting it together and making it, totally my space. So yes, so I love it. And this is like all my miscellaneous stuff that has not gotten unpacked. I'm just being honest with y'all. This is it's just what it is, okay? But I can't wait to put up my flowers. You guys remember I hauled those when they were on sale at Hobby Lobby. Cannot wait to put them up and put up some pretty girly decor in here to really make this office beautiful. And then of course I still have these that I have not hung up. I wasn't sure I was going to put them here in the office, but I might, who knows. Okay, so I want to show you guys that. And oh, here's the other, remember I said I had more sponges? Yeah. How they got in here, I don't know. But here's the second sponge that I bought. And remember I was telling you guys about the mirror that I bought. Here it is right here. And y'all, it was only $5. And it comes on the little pedestal and everything. And Lord knows I don't want to get too close to it, because y'all don't want to see this hot mess express that I'm working with this morning. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got from Ikea. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog and the footage that I got and the little haul that I did for you guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up this video if y'all excited about me being able to finally decorate this office and make it look like something pretty and girly, because y'all know that's what I'm going for. Pink is my favorite color, so I'm really thinking it's going to be in shades of pink accented with gold. I just think that might be the the direction I'm going in, but y'all bear with me. We'll see what I decide. So yeah, okay. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah,
I'll see you in
girl,
the
you're
next
so
one.
overwhelming.
Bye.
You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like oh na na, yeah. Like oh na 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 na. Like oh na na yeah. When you're around, I know I hardly speak. You got me now, oh baby. You make it so hard for a guy like me, rocking those hips like nobody. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like oh na na na, yeah. Still waiting for the time to pass you by. You're out of my league, but maybe if I just get